When dreams are made real, amazing things can happen. When a true affinity is realized, two species become as one. Dolphin Beach, a place of learning and discovery, where friendships are formed and the affinity between two very different species is fully realized. Take an up-close look at one of the most remarkable mammals on the planet, the Pacific bottlenose dolphin.
Welcome to Dolphin Beach. Folks, it's right here that we hope all of you will gain a greater understanding and appreciation of the affinity that exists between us and the world's most beloved marine mammal. Folks, we share this planet with some truly remarkable species, both above and below the water surface. But the affinity that we share with the dolphin is one that we will always cherish. The time we get to spend with these amazing creatures is so special to us, and the friendships that we form, well, they will last forever.
So that you can kiss.
But not.
See? It is like you can kiss it.
Something
ocean inspires us to dive deeper, to venture further, and to learn more. The SeaWorld Research and Rescue Foundation is dedicated to educating both current and future generations on just how precious the ocean environment is. Now, the vital work we do, it goes far beyond what you see here, and leading the way is our Director of Marine Sciences, Mr. Trevor Long.
Our oceans are filled with the most amazing creatures. They should be able to exist without the need to be rescued. But there are times when they need our help. SeaWorld's research and rescue team attend to hundreds of animals each year that suffer due to illness, pollution, boat strike, entanglement, and ingestion of fishing-gearing marine debris.
You don't know what is shark.
Whether it's by rescuing marine life or funding marine research, we are working every day to understand, protect, and conserve Australian marine
What
life.
is that?
If we act to benefit the environment,
Hindi mo pata sa different mo. Ayun.
So what is it about the dolphin that has captured our imaginations for so long? Is it the shared natural curiosity that we have for seeking out the unknown? Or is it something more? Is it that unspoken bond that exists between us when we're lucky enough to have encounters with them, just like this? We're incredibly fortunate. We have two species of dolphin that exist here and nowhere else in the world. They are the Australian humpback dolphin and the snubfin dolphin. But sadly, both of them are facing extinction due to things like illegal feeding and pollution like discarded fishing gear. But there is hope if we can all act together. So in order to be able to say that we truly appreciate these beautiful animals, we must all play our part in protecting them and their ocean home. In fact, the dolphin is called the planet Earth home for 10 million years, and they're perfectly adapted to this ocean environment in every way. And when their physical power is on display, it is nothing short of breathtaking.
Kaya kada ako gamgam tabig sa mga pambahog ano. Tada-tada. Every day here at SeaWorld is an opportunity for growth and for learning. And the time that we all get to spend together is always full of new, exciting discoveries.
We are always learning here at SeaWorld. And the knowledge we gain from spending time in the water with these beautiful animals is always put to great use, especially when we're called upon to attend to sick or stranded animals that might need our care.
Here at SeaWorld, we also take great pleasure in educating SeaWorld's rescue rangers, because informing young minds leads to a brighter future for everyone. Our affinity with the dolphin ensures the need to safeguard our ocean environment for future generations. We need to make a promise to put the needs of the planet first. So I'd like you all to meet a very special little friend of mine. Hey Tegan, come on down. This is Tegan, everyone, and she's come all the way from Cairns. And Tegan, guess what? I'm going to make you a promise today. I promise you that these next few moments are going to live in your memory forever.
Yo, supog man ako kan sulot ko.
Tegan, how cool is that? You got a little bit wet, but that's all right. So listen, shall we say thank you to Scooter and give her a big wave goodbye? Let's do it together, see if she waves back. Oh, yes! You just made a new best friend. Let's all play our part in protecting the dolphin from harmful human impact by always making sure that we dispose of our rubbish properly, especially fishing gear, no matter how big or small, and by never ever feeding animals in the wild. Remember, health to the oceans means health to all of us. Well, it's almost time to say farewell from Dolphin Beach, but as you're leaving here today, I want you all to ask yourself one question. What promise can I make to the dolphins and to the planet? Well, the beautiful animals we've had the pleasure of meeting here today have been Evie, Scooter, Kayama and Mohi. And from all of us here at Dolphin Beach, we'd like to say thank you for joining us here at Affinity, and we hope you enjoy the rest of this beautiful day here at SeaWorld. Thank you. Bye for now, everyone.